Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So today is reveal number 23 to my Baking Spirits Bright group swap. Again, this swap was a Christmas baking theme, and the requirements were to make one memory dex card, 10 layered die cuts, something beaded, a shaker embellishment, and 4 handmade items sender's choice. And everything was to be packaged nicely into a tote bag or just some sort of creative packaging to hold everything together. So today's reveal is from Natalie-Rae, who is Chunky Paper Layers here on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you so much, Natalie-Rae, for joining my swap. I really appreciate, the time you took out of, your busy schedule to, support me and, join this super fun swap. I'm so excited to see what you created. So let's jump right in. So here, I want to show she's a really cute pink box here. And let's start with the card. So here's the card. Let's see here. And look at that, how cute. So this is the Doodlebug collection. I don't know if this is a new collection. Their new collection is called, I think, Tinsel Town or Tinsel Time. I'm not sure. I didn't get their collection this year because I had so many to work with. But this is her cute note card. And it says here, Tiffany, thank you for hosting this darling and sweet swap and for giving me some extra time to finish. Love, Natalie-Rae. And again, her YouTube and Instagram is Chunky Paper Layers. Well, of course, Natalie, thank you again, like I said, for joining. And, giving everyone extra time was not a problem. I know this time of the year, it's busy with the holidays and family and life. So, yeah, definitely no problem. I'm just glad you're able to get your project done. So here, look at this. This is what Natalie gifted me. Thank you so much. So let's see. This is one of those glass jars. And it looks like it has gingerbreads on them. How cute is that? So here, we have the straw that goes with the cup. The cup top is like a wood or bamboo. And here's, the area, it's plastic to hold the straw, silicone, I should say. And look at all the cute gingerbreads. Isn't that darling? So in here, oh, how cute. Look at this. Look at that cute gingerbread ornament. And he's so sparkly and glittery. And then he's holding a rolling pin there. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh, and then there's some candies at the bottom. It looks like some Hershey Kisses. Peppermint. It smells, yep, like mint chocolate. I love mint chocolate. My husband does not like mint and chocolate together, but I love it. So thank you so much for this. So I'm going to put this to the side. And then let's get to her swap. And you guys, oh my gosh. So this is how she packaged her swap. Look at this. She made a box, an oven box. And here is a shaker for the oven. If you see all the shaker bits in there. Look at how cute that is. She has an oven mitt hanging. And then she's using that Sprinkle Shop paper collection that you get at Michael's. It's by Recollections. So she, made a border at the bottom of her stove. And look at the top. So it has the eyes here. And there she has enamel dots for, the dials. And here where you can see the temperature for the oven. It looks like she hand drew it. She put 350 with the red tick mark there and all the lines. Look at all that detail. So, and I love this color. So that is so pretty. So this is a box, and so you open the box and she made an explosion box. Oh my gosh, so cute. What a cute idea. So it exploded, and let's start here. So in the middle, look at this cute mini oven. So here she made a mini oven, and on the top, on the oven top here, she look at the eyes here, the stove, and she put a mini cookie sheet, and look at all the mini cookies on there. So much detail and work, and it's like it looks like she used like glossy accents. That is so cute. And then look at the side here. She added the utensils. She added a spatula, and what is that, like, you know, the pot holder and the oven mitt. Isn't that cute? And then the oven, there's something in the oven. So let's see what's in the oven. So you open the oven. It has a slit right there. And you open it up. Okay, so this is her something beaded. She housed it in this oven. How creative is that, guys? So look at this. So here she used the safety pin. I have these safety pins too. I forgot where I bought them from. Maybe Allie. But here you see they have 3 rings. And so that's where you can hang, you know, your charms or your dangle. She used this really pretty white and red striped ribbon. And then here are her beads. Look at how cute that is. Look at that star, chunky star, that peppermint with that cute pink bow, and this cute gingerbread boy. That is so cute, so creative. Your partner will love that. So let me put that back. And it's like that. All right, so let's start with the top here. So it looks like she made pockets. Like, see, this one flips. It's very interactive. That one flips. This one, they all flip. You see that? So cute. So we'll do the first here at the top. So these look like, so she made a waterfall, and these look like embellishments. How cute is that? She has some twine at the top. So she made a set of 3 here, and let's take it out. So this one, look at how cute that is. So that's a mixing bowl. She paper pieced all these utensils to the corner here. Here she has 2 gingies, peppermint clay, polymer clay bead, the oven mitt with the holly berry, and she added some highlight with her white pen. That is so cute. You see how paper piece die cuts, they look finished, like it just has a different look. That's why I you know, the requirements are 10 layered die cuts. And so here's the next one. A mixing bowl again with the holly berries with the measuring spoons, the oven mitt again with the highlighting, the gingies and the utensils there. So pretty. These are very small pieces that she had to work with. That took a lot of time. And here's the last one. And look at that one. Again, she did all the highlighting there. She has the measuring spoons, utensils sticking out, the cute gingy sticking out there, a gingy there, polymer clay bead, and the holly berry. So pretty. Your partner will love these. Seeing all of these in person, and not to say that, you know, nobody, like, I don't know how to say it, but when you see it in person and all the hard work that they put into it, like, you can really see the heart, you know, like they did everything with love. So that's that pocket there. And then we'll go to the back here. Okay, so this must be her shaker embellishment. And here we have the KS Craft mixing bowl again. And look at all the shaker bits in there. She has everything from seed beads to snowflakes, peppermints, and cute gingies in there. That is so cute and very sturdy, which is good. All right, so next we'll go clockwise in this pocket here. She made a set of, these are the KS Craft bag toppers. Look at how cute they are. So they have red backings to them. And I love, and I love how she used the glitter paper in the back as the base. She also distressed the edges to make them look baked. Aren't they the cutest? So cute. Love them. And then in this pocket, and this is her memory decks. Look at how cute that is. Look at all the little details here. The cute little gingies, the mixer. She has the cookie cutters here. And then there's a tag that says Baking Spirits Bright with a peppermint there, a polymer clay bead. And in the back, it has her sticker here. It says Chunky Paper Layers, Natalie-Rae. And this is, it's a pocket. So here, so the mixing bowl, she made it into a pocket. And in the pocket here, look at this cute gingy girl. She's all distressed to make her look, she looks baked. Cute. And then here she has utensils in here. The spatula with the frosting on there, the rolling pin, and the wooden spoon. And you can see that she distressed the edges on those. So pretty. All right, so let's see here. So let's put them in here nicely. We'll have her sticking out with all her utensils. Okay, I'll put that away nicely. All right, so then we'll do this bottom one here. And this, okay, look at that. She made 2 tags. The tags are made from the cookie sheet. I'm not sure which cookie sheet this is, if this is KS Craft. I mean, there's a lot of companies that make cookie sheets. So, again, that same paper collection. And she spelled out the word with an alpha die. It says 2, so you can write, you know, to the recipient. And then she has twine there so you can hang it on the gift. How cute is that? Look at all the cookies on here. And they're very dimensional. They're on foam, so they're not flat. It's dimensional. So cute. I love those. So I'm gonna put this back in there. All right, and then this pocket here looks like a set of note cards. So let's see. Okay, yes, so these are note cards. So you're going to get 4 envelopes here. And then 4 note cards. So it looks like 2 designs, and she stamped it in red and green. And so the first design here says, "May your holidays be merry and bright and filled with cookies. Merry Christmas." And she left it blank inside, so you know you can write in it. And this one says, "Freshly baked cookies from the North Pole Baking Company. Merry Christmas." And that's blank. And then the same thing in red. Same design, just in red. Isn't that cute? What a neat idea. I'm gonna leave this to the side because I'm gonna tie that back up. And in here, okay, so these are her die cuts. So let's go through her die cuts here. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at this cute car. And look at the snow on the doors. And here she highlighted, she put highlights on the car, using like a really shimmery, looks like a red pen. So cute. And here she made an apron. And I like how she cut it to where it says Baking Spirits Bright. See all the thought that's put into it? It's so pretty. Here's a Christmas cookie. It's a Christmas tree. So you can look at all the little ornaments that she had to glue on there. And that star. That's so cute. Here is a gingerbread house. So cute. All the snow is with white glitter paper here. Again, she used that red. It's either red or pink. I can't really tell. But she used her pen to highlight on the roof here and the embossing on the door. You see that? So it gives it some interest there. So cute. And oh my goodness, look at these gingies. All right, look at them. Aren't they the cutest? So here she distressed her gingies. On this one she has him holding a gumdrop and he's holding a rolling pin. Stamped face, obviously. And then this one she used, you know, the dies to make the face. Look at how cute. Those are so cute. And here are more gingies. Look at them. So this one, he has a chef hat on. She did eyes. Even on this one, I didn't, you know, she used her white pen to put highlights in the eyes. And then she rosied her cheeks there. And she's having her hold a gingerbread cookie. He's the cook, so that's the batter. So he made her that cookie while he's still making more cookies. He has the whisk. So cute. And here are 2 gingerbread houses. Again, look at all that detail. So many little paper piecings that she had to do, even down to like the doorknobs. So pretty. So those are her die cuts. Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much again, Natalie, for joining. This is a awesome swap. All the ladies have been killing it. They are just fabulous. So I hope you all are joining, you know, the reveals, because we are, like I said, this is reveal number 23. We have, I think, 5 or 6 more to go. And then I will start, you know, sending everybody's swap to them. So this is such a neat idea. So you bring this up and then you close it. And that's how she packaged it. I kept this out because I'm going to tie this back up so your partner will have it all nice and pretty. So again, thank you all for watching. Hope you all are having a fabulous day. I'll be back this evening with another video. I'm trying to do 2 videos a day, so stick around. That one should be around maybe between 5 and 7 p.m. All right, so you all take care and have a good day. Bye.